Hi there. This lesson we're going to learn how to solve worded problems involving simultaneous equations. Of course, you can download the PDF file on the description below and you can work with me if you like. Otherwise, let's get into it. Now, we have 2 cans of Coke and 3 bottles of Powerade which cost $19.20. If we have 3 cans of Coke and 2 bottles of Powerade, it costs $16.80. And we want to find out how much each item cost. To do this, we need to form simultaneous equation first, and then we're going to work it out from there. So we can let a can of Coke cost X dollars. And a bottle of Powerade costs Y dollars. So this means that we have 2x plus 3y 19.20, and the second one is 3x plus 2y, which give me 16.80. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 19.20. Let's name this equation number 1. Okay, and the second one is 3x plus 2y, which give me 16.80. Let's name this equation number 2. So now to solve this, let me move this on this side here. Now we can solve this by elimination method. Okay, so it's easier. I can either eliminate x or I can eliminate y. Doesn't really matter. Let's eliminate x. Okay, to do this, so I just times the equation number 1 by 3, and then equation number 2 I times by 2, because if you times this by 3, the answer is 6x. If I times this by 2, also 6x. So if I minus it, the x will be disappear. Okay, so now we're gonna go 3 times 2, which is 6. So I just write 6x, and then 3 times 3, which is 9. So 9y is equal to, now 3 times 19.20. So I just use calculator. So I just go 3 times 19.20. 0.2 we do. So the answer is 57.6. So 57.6. So I just write this down. So 1 times 3. And the second one, of course, we times this by 2 and times this by 2, times this by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So I just write 6x plus 2 times 2y is 4y. And 16.8 times 2, so I just put in the calculator. So 16.8 times 2. 33.6. So just write 33.6. Of course, this is equation number 2 times 2. Now, if I minus it, these two equations, okay, this 6x minus 6x is disappear, and we go 9y minus 4y, so which equal to 5y. So 5y is equal to, now I just use calculator of 57.6 minus 33.6. So I just go 57.6 minus 33.6. So 24. So 24 here. Then I divide this both sides by 5, divide this by 5, and y is equal to, and I just use calculator. So I just go answer divided by 5. There you go, 4.8. So 4.8. Now, because this y is the cost of a Powerade, so which is just write 2 decimal place, okay? Because we're dealing with money. Now we can substitute y is equal to 4.80 either into the first equation or the second equation. Doesn't matter which one you like, okay? So I just substitute y equal 4.80 into first equation. So I just write substitute y is equal to 480 into equation number 1. This means that every time we see y, we replace with 4.80. So this means 2x plus 3y, y is 4.80. So just 4.80 is equal to 19.20. Now I just put this in the calculator. So I just go 3 times 4.8, which equal to 14.4. So 2x plus 14.40 is equal to 19.20. So now I just move this 14.40 onto this side. This becomes minus. So 2x is equal to, so just use calculator. So 19.2 minus the answer. So 4.80. So 4.8 or 4.80, doesn't matter. Then I divide both sides by 2 because I want to solve for x, okay? Divide by 2, that cancel out. So therefore x is equal to 2.40. So this is x. Now remember, x is the cost of a can of Coke and y is the cost of a bottle of Powerade. So I just write down, therefore there you go. So a can of Coke costs $2.40 and a bottle of Powerade costs $4.80. Now please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. Let's go through this together to see if you got this one correct, okay? Now I can let a pack of chips cost X dollars, okay? So let's say a pack of chips and a jar of salsa cost Y dollars. So this means that we have 4 packs of chips, 4x because 4 packs of chips, and plus 3y, which give me 32.25. Okay, and the second one is 3x plus y is equal to 17.75. Okay, I'll just write this over here. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 32.25 and 3x plus y is equal to 17.75. Now because this we have only one y here, so you can either solve it by substitution or elimination method. It doesn't really matter which one you like, okay? So I can solve by substitutions, so I don't have to time by 3, okay? But of course you can do using elimination method. So I just move these 3x on this side, so this becomes y is equal to 17.75. 3.75 minus 3x. So let's name this equation number 1 and this one here equation number 2. Okay. So now I can substitute, okay, equation number 2, that is this one here, and into this first equations, okay. So which is into equation number 1. Every time we see y, we must replace with 17.75 minus 3x. Okay. So we go 4x plus 3y, but y is this. Don't forget. So just write this down. 17.75 minus 3x, which equal to 32.25. Now I've just removed the bracket by expanding by 3 times this and 3 times this. So I just write 4x plus, so 3 times 17, 3 times 17.75. So which give me 53.25. So 53.25, and then 3 times minus 3 is negative 9, but negative 9x. So this one, I just write this down, 32.25. Now I just collect like terms. So 4x minus 9x, so which give me negative 5x. So I just write negative 5x is equal to, and I move this one here, 53.25 to the right hand side. So it becomes minus. So I just go 32.25 minus the answer, because the last number was 52.25. So I just minus the answer. So negative 21. So just write negative 21. Then to solve this, I divide this by negative 5. I divide this by negative 5. So that cancel out. I can just put on a calculator. So I just go divide by negative 5. There you go, 4.2. So x is equal to 4.2. Now to solve y, I just substitute x equal 4.2 into equation number 2. It's easier. Of course, you can substitute into number 1, but easier if you substitute the value into equation number 2. So I just write this down. So I just say substitute x equal 4.2 into equations number 2. So this means that y is equal to 17.75 minus 3 lots of 4.2. So I just put in calculator now. So 17.75 minus 3 times 4.2. So 5.15. So which equal to 5.15. Now remember, x is the cost of a pack of chips. So just write therefore a pack of chips cost $4.20. Okay, so we know x is 4.2, but because we're dealing with money, so 2 decimal place. All right. There you go. A pack of chips cost $4.20, and a jar of salsa cost $5.15. Thank you so much for watching.